Hello and welcome to Ninja Sauce. On today's video, we're going to look at how we can add categories to our products. So we're going to click on three lines, then we navigate to products, and then we'll navigate to products category on the product submenu. Then we click on add button that is located on the right side. So we first give a category name, so we give it test category, and so all the major fields that you needs to be fulfilled has this asterisk sign, so that indicates that these fields are must to be filled. Optionally, if you want to add any category code or specific description, so you can do that as well. And if you want to add it as a subcategory, so you need to click on this checkbox, so it will add it as a subcategory of different major categories of those products. So after that we hit save, and an alert message will pop up that indicates that you have successfully saved your category. So we can search that category from the search bar. So let's type in test. So here it is, test category. So that indicates that our category has been successfully saved. So that's all for today's video. Thanks a ton for watching and have a good day.